y'all, today I'm going to be sharing some of my sales from eBay, Poshmark, and MERCARI from August 2022. So if that sounds interesting to you, just keep watching. I feel like I always start with eBay, so let's go ahead and do something a little different. Let's start with some Poshmark sales. So the first thing is a Banana Republic dress. I know a lot of people maybe don't like to pick up Banana Republic. This was 100% silk and it sold for $28. Got this at the bag sale, which means I paid less than $1 for it. Speaking of which, I just went to the bag sale again and I uploaded a huge major thrift haul, over 50 items. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. Definitely check that out. Next up are these Rock Revival jeans. These jeans sold for $45. I got those in a premium denim mystery bag from America's Thrift Supply. I have been loving my America's Thrift Supply mystery boxes. So far, they've been my favorite. They seem the most consistent. I haven't seen many people unbox the premium denim mystery box, but I got some good jeans and you're gonna see more in this what sold video. So Rock Revival, we know that's a good brand. Next up is this Cacique bra. If you see Cacique bras in a bigger size, I would recommend grabbing them. Everyone I've picked up has sold. I have a 100% sell-through rate with this brand, Cacique. This bra sold for $25 and it sat for less than a month. Another one that sat maybe just a week was this one here. This is on eBay. This sold for $27 plus shipping. Something to mention in case you're new to my channel, any Poshmark sales I mention, they include shipping. I do not offer free shipping or discounted shipping on Poshmark. Here's some more jeans from that premium denim mystery bag from America's Thrift Supply. These are some Ariat jeans. I love to sell Ariat. This is another brand that I have a 100% sell-through rate with, and these sold for $40. Oh, this was an exciting sale. So you may have seen this suit in maybe a week or two ago. I uploaded a Goodwill Dollar Day video. And I paid $1 for the blazer and $1 for the pants, and it sold for $60. I think within a week, maybe a week and a half, it sold really quick. So this brand was called T Fusion. I don't know anything about that brand. You guys know I'm new to like the suits, blazers, men's jackets game. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just basically going to my thrift stores, looking through each and every blazer and looking them up if they look nice, if they're silk, if they're wool, if they say made in Italy or made in another country. I'm just taking time to research these, and whenever I researched this T Fusion, it looked like it was doing decent. This was a bigger size and it had a fun lining. So for $2 and a $60, you can't beat that, you know? Okay, let's move on to some shoes. I am not a big shoe seller. However, the America's Thrift Supply shoe mystery boxes, those shoes, you guys, are coming so clean. And that's why I don't like selling shoes. I do not like to clean shoes, but every pair of shoes I've received from America's Thrift Supply, I feel like this is like an ad for America's Thrift Supply. It's not, I'm just saying. I've got some good stuff from them lately and it's all selling. These were some Steve Madden boots. They sold for $45. We love that. I think they only sat for like 4 days, so. Oh, this is a brand, okay. I had someone correct me on my TikTok video. So the brand for this is Lupis, L-U-P-I-S. And I got this, can you guess, in an America's Thrift Supply mystery box, okay? So whenever I looked up this brand, Lupis, every single dress I saw was labeled Anthropologie Lupis. So I just labeled mine Anthropologie, and I found this exact dress again, you guys, after I sold this one you're seeing on the screen. I found another exact piece at the thrift store, and I did a TikTok, and I mentioned that this was an Anthropologie brand, and someone commented, and they said, no, this brand is not actually on the Anthropologie brand list. So I think what we're dealing with is a case of someone used the word Anthropologie, then other people, like me, decided to use the word Anthropologie in their listing. So I don't know if that helped it sell or not, but nonetheless, if you see this dress, it's not Anthropologie, even though every listing you're gonna find online is gonna say it's Anthropologie. Anyway, this dress sold very quickly for $40, and I just picked it up again and listed it again, so hopefully you will see this exact same dress on my September What Sold video very soon. All right, if you sell men's items, this is a good piece. This brand, I believe, is called XAVC, and I got this in a mystery box, but I cannot remember for the life of me which one I got this in. I think it was, you know what, I think it was the Thread Up Men's mystery box. That sounds right. Anyway, this sold for $27 and it has like this mosquito repellent somewhere inside this shirt, so I definitely put that in my title. So if you find this brand and on the inside it has anything to do with like repellent or whatever, make sure that you put that in your title and description that it is mosquito repellent, because I think people are looking for that. Okay, do you guys remember this? I shared a Goodwill bins haul with y'all, and I made the comment about how my listing for this item actually got pulled from eBay because I used a Chico stock photo. Here's your daily reminder not to use Chico stock photos on eBay. They will pull your listing. And anyway, I had an offer on this cardigan, did not take it, got the listing pulled down, and I was like, dang it, I could have made that sale. I relisted it. It sold right away for $28 on Poshmark. So this is a Chico's Travelers piece. If you find Chico's Travelers, I'm telling you guys, Chico's Travelers sells great. If you can get it at a good price, I would recommend picking it up. Okay, this next thing, this is an Ann Taylor cardigan. I got this at the bag sale and it sold for $30. It was new with tags. I love to pick up Ann Taylor, Talbot's, Banana Republic, anything new with tags, even though those brands are maybe like lower end brands that maybe a lot of resellers are passing unless they like this style. I've had really good luck, especially with these cardigans and sweaters, jackets from these brands, if they're new at tags. So I've been very lucky and fortunate enough to find a lot of these pieces at the bag sale for under $1, and it makes for a quick flip for me. All right, next up we got these Cole Haans. These sold for $35. I got these out of a shoe mystery box. Love those America's Thrift Supply boxes. Oh, this one here, this was a super quick sale, and I only paid, oh man, it was like $2.99 for this blazer. This is a Ted Baker blazer. I think it was 100% linen. This sold right away for $75. I was very ecstatic about that sale. I think that only sat for about a week. You guys just saw that in a video, so we love that. Oh, here we go. Here's some Vince Camuto boots. Again, this is from America's Thrift Supply shoe mystery box. These sold right away for $43. Love these boots. I mentioned in the unboxing that I had also purchased shoes just like this from Vince Camuto. It seems like their knee length or right under the knee high boots sell really well. So I would definitely recommend picking them up. My mom, by the way, just messaged me. I got her on Whatnot, y'all, last night. I went over there and showed her what it was all about. Which, by the way, Clarissa from Thriving Thrifters was like ripping up Lululemon leggings whenever I signed on. So that was like the first thing my mom saw was Clarissa like ripping the crotch out of that. If you guys are not on Whatnot, we're having way too much fun over there, seriously. Anyway, my mom just messaged me and she was like, I'm addicted to watching these Whatnot auctions. They are addicting. I think I'm going to have, I don't know how many packages are going to be here because I just really need to open them and film the giveaway or film the video. I think I have 6 or 7 packages that I've purchased from Whatnot that will be here tomorrow. I gotta film those for y'all because I got some really good stuff. All right, let's get back to this what sold video. I feel like today I've had a lot of coffee and my mind is like all over the place. Hopefully you guys can't tell through the camera. This was a surprising sale for me. So I got these pants from Goodwill Dollar Day, and I like to pick up stuff on Goodwill Dollar Day that I normally wouldn't pick up just to see how it would do. I picked this up because I just liked the style. They were just a pair of black pull-on stretchy elastic waistband pants. They reminded me of Chico's Travelers pants. Very casual, comfy pants, right? This was by the brand, I believe it was the Max Studio, and these sold for $25 plus shipping, so $1.25, we love that. Some more shoes from my America's Thrift Supply boxes. These sold for $44. These were some Puma sneakers. I got some really cool Puma sneakers in my box. I still have a pair of yellow ones, I believe, that have definitely gotten some attention on most of my platforms as well. So I hopefully will be showing those in an upcoming What Sold video. These Levi's, I actually forgot to list. I got these in a thread-up denim rescue box probably around 6 months ago, y'all. They were in my like stain pile, which doesn't really get touched. I don't have a lot of stuff in that pile, but I was going through it the other day and I said, let me pull something, and I didn't list these. So these have just been sitting and sitting and sitting. Levi's White Oak, definitely a Bolo brand. I've seen comps anywhere between like 30 to 60 or 70 on eBay. Mine sold for $35 pretty much right away as soon as I listed it. I'm not in the market to just like be a storage unit, you know, we're trying to move this stuff. So I went ahead and accepted that $35 offer. This next sale was super exciting. Oh, by the way, we switched to eBay in case you haven't noticed. This is a vintage dress. You guys know I'm not a vintage seller. However, I can use my phone. I know how to use my phone. I know how to look up brands. So I did look up this brand whenever I saw it. This is Alfred Shaheen. Dresses were going between $50 and $100 for this brand. This did have some flaws on the very bottom. It had some marks, nothing major. You can probably see in the photo, it actually looks really nice. It's very faint spots at the bottom. But anyway, I listed it for $100 and someone came in with a $65 offer. We love that. I sold that. I want to say I paid about, I think $8 or $10, somewhere in between that. We'll just say 10, okay? I paid about $10. I did pay up for this, but like I said whenever I picked it up in that thrift haul, comps looked good. So I'm going to continue to pick it up if I see that one out again. If you have not been listing your alpaca, your wool, your sweater weather items, go ahead and start listing them because they're selling. This is a J. Crew sweater. This was alpaca. And it had these really cool like trivets right here on the shoulder. Anyway, this sold for $43 on eBay and I paid I think around $5 or $6 for that at Goodwill. This was an exciting sale. I got these. They were doing like a buy one get one half off sale at one of my like which thrift store was this? I think that I got this at St. Vincent. They're the ones that do buy one get one half off a lot. I bet you I paid $3 or $4 for these shoes, y'all, and they sold for $55. We all know UGG is a great brand, but if you see it out, I'd pick it up because it does sell. These were also a size 12, so I bet you that being a larger women's size, there's probably not a lot listed online. So if you're looking for that specific brand, there's probably not that much to choose from. So yeah, the size and the brand had a lot going for it. Okay. Return drama. You want to hear about my return drama? So this month, August 2022, has been by far the worst month for returns, for customers. Oh my gosh, it has just been some drama, for me at least, okay? I hardly ever have returns, if I'm just being honest with you guys. This month, I think I had 3 or 4 return requests, and this one really bugged me the most. Mainly because it was an expensive sale. I sold and it was flawed too, okay? This was a Roberto Cavalli skirt. This is a designer if you don't know. I sold it for $80 plus free shipping, okay? So the customer received their skirt and they said it didn't fit them. Mind you, I have pictures, I have measurements, I have all that listed. So eBay sided with me and I did not have to refund the customer. She was very upset about that. However, that's a big sale. If I'm including measurements, if I'm including pictures, all of that, I don't know. Let me know how you feel about that. Do you accept all returns even if maybe the customer's in the wrong, like you got the measurements? I don't know. I decided to deny. That was the first return that I think I've denied in like a year or two. Yeah, the customer wasn't happy with me, but I felt like it was fair to do that. You guys let me know how you feel about that. That's okay if you disagree with me and you feel like I'm in the wrong. That's okay. We can have a difference of opinion here. Okay, next thing that I sold on eBay, and mind you, these aren't all my sales. These are just like sales I would recommend that you pick up if you see them at your thrift store. All of these are like bolos in my head. Things I'll pick up again. So I actually won this on a Whatnot giveaway. This was, I think I bought from Clarissa, Thriving Thrifters, and she was giving away a Vera Bradley wallet. I sell Vera Bradley. Let me tell you, I've never sourced it, but I have received it. It has come into my possession so many times from people just giving it to me, and it's sold every single time. I'm thinking about just starting to pick it up. It's not really a brand I ever thought I would pick up, but when I'm looking at my sell-through rate, it's super high, almost at 100%. So you may be seeing Vera Bradley very soon in my thrift hauls. If you like to sell hats, this is a great one. This is a Cartoon Network Scooby-Doo hat, and it's the Wacky Racing hat. I got this at the bin, so I probably paid less than $1 for it, and it sold for $30 plus shipping. Do not pass up those hats because some of them can go for great money. I love this nightwear brand. This is an Anthropologie brand, Saturday Sunday. You probably know this brand, but you may not know that they make nightgowns and sleepwears, or maybe you do. But if you don't, let me fill you in. I found this not this exact piece, but similar pieces a couple times. Both times they have sold for my full asking price within 1 week. Definitely something I would look out for. I paid $1.99 for this dress and it sold for $20 right away. We love that. I got these shoes in a thread-up men's box and these finally sold. I will not be repurchasing a thread-up men's box because a lot of that stuff has taken a while to sell. But these were the Nike SB Paul Rodriguez shoes. They were in a size 13. They sold for $82 plus shipping. They were really cool shoes, but they did sit a little while for me, probably about 6 months. So keep that in mind. Okay, we just got a couple MERCARI sales and then we'll be done for this what sold video. This is a Torrid kimono. I love to sell Torrid, especially kimonos. Really, it doesn't matter the brand with kimonos. If they're really nice and embroidered, I'm probably going to pick them up. I got this at the bin, so I probably paid about $1 for it, and it sold for $41 plus free shipping. All right, last sale we're going to mention is a collab. This is a collab between Adriano Goldschmied and Alexa Chung. I have sat on these jeans for kind of a long time, but I didn't pay too much for them, and I got 57 bucks. So I think it's Alexa Chung is a designer, if I'm not mistaken. I've never sold any of her pieces, but I would definitely be on the lookout for these. These were definitely, as you can see in the picture, they were like a flare leg. Love that. Very, very wide. If you guys have heard that new term, puddle pants, I think these would fit that description. So puddle pants are apparently going to be on trend this fall. Basically pants that you're going to be walking on, so we love that as short people. That's right up our alley, right? All right, y'all, those were just some of my sales from August 2022. Hopefully you found this video helpful and hopefully you're having a great month starting here in September. Let me know how your sales have been down below. I have been selling on Whatnot, but I'm gonna find it very hard to share my sales with you because I don't add pictures on Whatnot. So let me know, do you want to start hearing about my Whatnot sales on these what sold videos or no? Because if I were to share them, I won't have a picture to pop up, but I can give you an idea of what I'm selling and how much I sold it for. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see that in my upcoming what sold videos. If you're on Whatnot, my shows will be every Friday, 5 p.m. Central Time. I will be going live for at least an hour. I've had so much fun talking to y'all over there and meeting some of y'all. I've been meeting a lot of people that I never knew. I don't know them on TikTok. I don't know them on Instagram, YouTube. So we're finding some new friends over there. I'd love to chat with y'all. I'm spending way too much money over there, but we're having a good time. So I will see y'all very soon for a huge Whatnot unboxing. And until then, bye y'all.